I'd love to take one of my good berries to draw one of the birds and see if I might talk with the bird.
Ooh.
And see if it could tell us anything about the forest.
Make an animal handling check.
Ooh, look at this. Druid stuff.
19.
Whoa.
19. As you hold the good berry up, which with your arm length is a good 9.5 feet up towards the lower hanging branches, and you kind of give a little counter whistle to the sound of one of the birds you hear, and you hear a retort. Then you return it. Then it returns. And then down onto the edge of your hand, you see this tiny little black bird with what looks like a white stripe that kind of goes down the edge of each wing. It's kind of like, and starts kind of eating the good berry, kind of messing the edge of its beak.
Shitty rooster.
So yeah.
What would we like to ask it?
I mean, first thing that pops into my mind is, do you know Kiri? But I don't think that's
You have to
relevant
stop
right
thinking
now.
that all people who look like each other know everybody.
Don't they though?
No.
All right. Maybe, how long has this curse been here? How long has the forest been spooky ooky?
And do they know how much further the Mardoon's keep is?
And are there any monsters out there?
That's too much, one at a time.
Okay.
How long has the forest been like this?
Are you using a spell or are you using your Furbolg ability?
Oh, I'm using my Furbolg ability.
Okay. That allows you to speak to animals.
Oh, yes, no, I have to use a spell. Yes. I know which one it is.
Speak with animals.
Is it
Speech of the woods.
Nila's just staring at this bird.
Speech of the woods.
Speech of the Woods is your full Furbolg ability.
Oh, that's my Furbolg.
Yeah, you can.
I know I have it. I
feel like
If you look on your spell list there,
Is she
the
okay?
cards you have prepared, do you have Speak with Animals prepared?
No, I know I have it though. I know. Oh, it's because I chose my spirit because I'm spirit totem.
All right, because you're shepherd.
Yes, I have speech. Yes, because.
Yes, you do because of your shepherd. You circle the shepherd. Alrighty.
I was like,
You got this. You got this.
all up, and then I'm not gonna be able to talk to the bird.
All right. So
She's an Iron Shepherd. Kill her.
as you ask the bird returns, and you guys hear her whistle to the bird, and the bird whistles back, and quite a bit. This kind of beautiful little song that plays, and the bird conveys to you, far before my time. Far, far before my time.
It says it's been this way a long time.
Wow. I mean, how long is long for a bird, though?
They only live like 3 weeks, right? That's probably a bad question.
This bird lives a long time, I can tell you. This type of bird is not a short-lived bird.
Dagon can live to be 30.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I
She's
mean,
going to outlive us all.
Would you like to ask it what is dangerous in wood?
Yes. What do we need to most? What is most dangerous here?
Be wary of spirits.
Ooh.
Be wary.
Spirits.
Be wary of bone-spurred beasts.
Bones.
Bird, beast. Okay.
Don't like it.
Doesn't sound great.
Petting my bird. Do we need any? What other questions? Are you still willing to ask? Answer some more. Oh,
How far are we from the Mardoon house? I don't know if the bird's
don't
gonna
think the bird will know
Well,
the
but-
Mardoon
well,
house.
we can describe it. Redwood House.
Yeah, mansion.
Redwood Mansion.
All right.
Northwest-ish.
I'd like to send the bird mentally the picture of what that bird's eye view would be, and to see if the bird has seen that.
Okay. You kind of focus and express mentally and through small verbal gestures towards it the idea of this color and this shape, and immediately the bird takes off.
Follow the bird.
You guys all kind of start keeping up and kind of jogging behind it, and you watch as it goes like, it lands on a post, lands on a little roof, looks back at you, and it's kind of waiting and showing you a path through these streets